Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something really exciting to unbox. The brand new iPhone 14 Pro Max in stunning deep purple color and 256 gig of storage. Let's dive in. Now, as you know, Apple always delivers cutting-edge technology, and this latest flagship device is no exception. It's packed with incredible features and mind-blowing performance that leaves you in awe. From the design to the internals, Apple has truly raised the bar once again. Before we dive into the unboxing, let's take a moment to appreciate the mesmerizing color of this iPhone. Deep purple is a brand new addition to Apple's color palette, and it looks absolutely breathtaking. The rich, vibrant hue adds a touch of sophistication to this already premium device.
iPhone 14 Pro Max designed by Apple in California. Assembled in China. Includes iPhone 14 Pro Max and USB-C to Lightning cable. Power adapter and headphones sold separately. Supports GSM, UMTS, LTE, and 5 sub-6 GHz. Wave Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC. And GPS SIM capabilities not available and depend on region, wireless plan. And network for LTE and 5G. Hearing aid compatible. More at apple.com/iphone/compare. Requires wireless plan may include restrictions on switching providers and roaming. Even after contract expiration SIM Apple ID. For some features, internet access acceptance of software license at apple.com/legal/SLA.
Now, let's not keep you waiting any longer. It's time to open this box and see what's inside. Are you ready for this?
Inside, we have the iPhone 14 Pro Max itself, wrapped in a protective cover. Here it is, the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The first thing you notice is its sleek and premium design. The device has a ceramic shield front cover, aerospace-grade aluminum on the sides, and a new matte glass back that feels fantastic in hand. Now, let's power it on and begin the setup process. Underneath, we find the standard set of accessories, a USB-C to Lightning cable. There's no power adapter because it's sold separately, a SIM card ejector tool, and some Apple stickers. selecting the language and region. We're prompted to connect to a Wi-Fi network. Once connected, we can transfer data from our previous device or set up as a new iPhone. I'll choose to restore from my iCloud backup. All my data, apps, and settings are transferred to the new iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now it's time to explore the exciting features and enhancements of iOS 15. iOS 15 is the major release of Apple's mobile operating system, designed for iPhone, iPod Touch, and iPad devices. Announced in June 2021 and released in September 2021. iOS 15 introduces several new features and improvements that enhance the user experience and provide additional functionality. Key features of iOS 15 include Focus Mode. Users can customize notifications and app alerts based on their current activity or location, allowing for better concentration and reduced distractions. FaceTime enhancements, spatial audio, grid view, and portrait mode are added to make FaceTime calls feel more natural and engaging. SharePlay. This feature allows users to watch movies, listen to music, and share their screen with others during FaceTime calls. Live Text. With Live Text, users can interact with text in photos by copying, pasting, looking up definitions, and translating it directly. Visual Lookup. Pointing the camera at a location or an object provides relevant information about it using AI and augmented reality. iCloud and privacy enhancements. iCloud introduces new privacy features such as Private Relay, which enhances internet privacy, and Hide My Email. Weather App redesign. The Weather app gets a visual overhaul with more detailed graphics and data. Safari redesign. Safari features a new tab design and focuses on user convenience with customizable extensions. Focus on well-being. The Health app includes new features such as walking steadiness and provides trends in sleep and respiratory rate tracking. Improved notifications. Notifications are now grouped for easier management and feature a larger contact photo for a more personalized experience. iOS 15 offers a plethora of updates and features that enhance productivity, communication, and overall user satisfaction. As with all iOS updates, it is available as a free download for compatible devices through the Settings app. Notifications based on your activities. The enhanced FaceTime capabilities now include spatial audio, making it feel like your friends and family are in the same room. Now let's move on to the part you've all been waiting for. Testing the iPhone 14 Pro Max's camera. This new model boasts a triple lens system with a 12MP ultra-wide, 12MP wide, and a 12MP telephoto lens. The camera app offers several modes, including night mode, portrait mode, and Pro for advanced photographers. The Smart HDR4 ensures accurate colors and impressive dynamic range in every shot. The iPhone 14 Pro Max can record incredible 4K Dolby Vision HDR videos at up to 60 frames per second, delivering breathtaking cinematic quality. Let's take a moment to record a short video to showcase the stabilization and audio quality. The video quality is simply stunning, and the cinematic mode's focus transitions add a professional touch to the footage. To demonstrate the low-light performance, we're heading outside to capture some shots in a dimly lit environment. In conclusion, the iPhone 14 Pro Max impresses with its premium design, powerful camera capabilities, and the latest iOS 15 features. It's undoubtedly a significant upgrade for those who love photography, videography, and a seamless iOS experience. Thank you for joining us on this journey to unbox, set up, and explore the camera features of the iPhone 14 Pro Max. If you have any questions or want to see more content like this, feel free to let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech reviews. See you next time.